Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. How you people are doing? I hope you are safe and you know better than us how to keep yourself safe in this COVID-19 pandemic time. So take all the precaution so that you are safe. Health is more important than anything else. And I am here to talk about an important update regarding NEET PG 2020 examination and other examination like FMGE. So there is a notice came from IMA, or this kind of like communication from IMA to exam authority. So I will talk about each and everything. Before that, I urge you to subscribe the channel if you are new. If you want to keep receiving all the updates related to NEET PG 2020 examination or any other postgraduate examination. You can see the description. In the description we have a Telegram group. You can join that. There you can ask questions and we will reply in the same group. If there are ebooks also, you can download to understand the counseling process, or you want to know the information about open institute and deemed institutes and DNB. So let's get started. So the IMA urged the examination authority to speed up the process. I will tell you what is the reason. If you see the current date, on the current date, uh, the COVID cases in the second wave is now reaching around 3 lakhs per day, and from now in next 2 weeks it is expected to go beyond 4 lakhs. It can go up to 5 lakhs also per day. So situation is getting worse and worse. So what is the need in the current time? So IMA pointed the importance of having more qualified doctors is very important in the field in the hospital. The candidates who registered for NEET PG 2021 application, the number of those candidates is 1,74,886. So those candidates are they were just waiting for the examination before 18th of April, when the examination got postponed. So most of the candidates are just waiting for their exam to get clear and counseling to happen. Then they are ready to join as a junior resident in the hospitals to serve as a COVID resource doctors to control the situation. Okay. And IMA has urged the health ministry and concerned exam authority to expedite or speed up the final MBBS NEET PG or and AFMG examination. And this is the exact statement from IMA. Whatever health care equipments and infrastructures are arranged, without adequate qualified manpower, the system will crumble and care will be stressed out. Another statement given by IMA, exactly the same statement they gave. The doctors who are going to serve in the COVID-19 care work are competent enough to protect them during the examination rituals also. The entire process of admissions after examination can be completed within a month's time if the real concentrated efforts are taken, which is the need of hour. So what their IMA is trying to say, the examination should get conducted as early as possible, because the doctors who are going to serve country as a COVID care workers are competent enough to protect themselves during the examination process as well. And after examination process, the entire counseling process should complete within a month. And after the counseling process is done, those MBBS doctors can join in the hospital or wherever it is required to serve against the COVID war. Okay. But what I believe, as per the duration it takes for the counseling, entire counseling process, it takes from the counseling from the date the counseling process starts, it take at least 2 months to complete the entire admission process. So I would say it's my personal opinion that IMA is over expectation from IMA side to complete the admission process within a month. And they're also saying, due to delay in the holding of NEET PG 2020 examination, the healthcare sectors are deprived of around 45,000 postgraduate residents who can serve out as a frontliners in the battle against COVID-19. So their point is very clear. the time needs more doctors in the ground, and 1,74,886 applications received for NEET PG 2021, and those candidates are more concerned about their examination. They are stressed out. Once the examination is over and the counseling process is over, then they will be happily join as as a as a doctor against COVID-19 battle. But the process has to complete as soon as possible, which doesn't like to be happening. But definitely IM is a big organization and the statement came from their side, so it might change the expected examination date, which was expected earlier to be happening in the month of June, first week or second week of June. So I will keep you updating how it impacts. But as of now, looking at the current COVID-19 cases per day is looking very, very, very bad. The situation is not good at all, and it looks very unlikely that exam will happen soon, because after examination the student will need the counseling process also to be completed, and then all the stress related to NEET PG 2021 will be out, and they can happily join. In both the cases they join the college, or in case they don't join the college, in both cases they will be happily join hospitals and wherever they are required to join to serve the country. But I urge from the doctors, MBBS doctors, that if you are able to handle both examination and your duties at the same time, if you're competent enough, then you can decide upon joining and serving the country, because this is the time when country needs you more than any other time, and we are on to you. So that's it from my side. Okay, so we'll keep on updating each and everything related to examination. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.